Ever wondered what would happen if we tried to boil water in space? No? Well, today we're doing exactly that. And no, this isn't your grandma's kitchen, it's a NASA experiment. This isn't just a question. It's going to be a mind-blowing journey. So buckle up and get ready for a zero-gravity ride. But in this journey, we won't just boil water, we'll explore every molecule of that boil. You'll feel like you're in a science documentary, but with a fun twist. On Earth, everything's simple. Turn on the stove, heat water, and eventually it starts boiling. But in space, things flip upside down. Even physics is confused, like, where am I? There's no air, no pressure, and definitely no stove flames in space. The moment water enters open space, it doesn't hold back, it explodes. Scientific reason. The pressure in space is so low that the boiling point of water drops dramatically. The lower the pressure, the faster water boils. In a vacuum, where pressure is almost zero, water can boil at just 10 degrees Celsius depending on the location. If you think this is just theory, think again. NASA has actually done experiments where water boils instantly without any flame. It's not just entertaining, it can be dangerous if not controlled. And the astronauts like, am I making tea or triggering a chemical reaction?
Once water starts boiling, the next step is turning into gas. In space, this happens so fast, it's like someone hit the fast forward button. Science simplified. Water can't remain stable in a vacuum. It either instantly turns to steam or freezes. One side becomes steam, the other side turns into ice. When you bring water to a boiling point without pressure, it boils violently. A true dual personality. This process is called flash boiling. Scientists record it using high-speed cameras. And watching those slow-motion clips gives you goosebumps. Water and space. What am I? Steam? Ice? Just a broken emotion? Astronaut confused. Is this tea or clouds?
So now the question arises, can we make tea in space?
Like real Indian cutting chai? Technically yes, but definitely not like home. The answer is yes, but only in a controlled environment like the ISS International Space Station. There, they have artificial pressure and heating systems. NASA designed special warmers that heat water inside sealed containers. Astronauts drink liquids through special straws, no way to catch floating drops. Everything in a space kitchen is pre-planned. You can't open ingredients freely. You can't stir. You can't flip. Everything happens inside pouches, often with Velcro. Being a NASA chef means becoming a monk of patience. To drink tea in space, first launch a rocket, then heat water. And the toughest task, taking ginger along, you'll need NASA's approval for that. So next time you're making tea at home, remember, on Earth, the kettle whistles, but in space, the water becomes the whistle. And if gravity is off, dipping a biscuit becomes impossible, a serious problem. Also, if you dream of becoming an astronaut, keep this in mind. In zero gravity, even a spilled coffee becomes a science experiment. Everything happens in front of cameras with no filters. If you liked this video, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. What would you try to make in space, tea, magic, or coffee?